What's up everybody, this is Danny and today we're going to be taking a look at the $3,300 Galaxy Z Fold 2. This is a special edition and it's already sold out. They only made $3,300. So if you do the math on that, that's $16.5 million for Samsung. So kudos to Samsung. I honestly didn't think that something this expensive would sell out, but let's go ahead and take a look at what's different with this box. All right, this is the Thom Browne version, and he is an American designer. Obviously, he's very popular, and they collabed on this one, and this is very nice. Look at this. This is a carry bag. Wow. So I guess you can carry this around and look baller. Tell people that you spent $3,300 on this. All right, so the packaging is very, very premium. So you just pop this out right here. Wow, this is heavy. There's some heft to this. Let's get this out of the way. And it does say Galaxy up here. So the box is extremely nice. You can see the Samsung Thom Browne New York right here. And then when you flip this up, you can see that there is a tab here for you to cut to get inside. You can see the color scheme here. And if you look at it from the side, you can see Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. It's embossed right here. And then on the back, you'll see all the stuff that's inside of this box, but we're just gonna dive right in. So no knife, had to see what was here. This is actually not my setup. This is Jonathan Casey's setup. So shout outs to him for letting me do this because I have some in-laws coming in and couldn't use my studio. So make sure you subscribe to him. I will put his information down below. All right, so let's see how long it takes me to figure this out. Oh, there is a pull tab right here. That's it. Whew. Wow, look at the inside of this box. That is beautiful. Let's go ahead and pull this up. Oh, actually it tilts back. There's a little note here, shift in perspective, a world open, the perfection of the fold. And it says, welcome to the evolution of a unique collaboration, because I think they did this already with the Z Flip before. And I think that sold out too, so. Ooh, look at that. It's all compartmentalized in here. So Fold 2 5G, Buds Live, and Watch 3. So even though you're paying a lot, at least you're getting the trio here. So let's dig in. All right, there is, seems like there's nothing underneath this, but I think there is another pull tab right here. And we'll pull this. Wow. Look at that. That is so cool. We have a case, which didn't come with the regular Z Fold 2. So that's nice to see. It's that classic print from Thom Browne right here. It's a nice feeling material as well. It's kind of like elephant skin type of feeling. But this is cool. So this is a full folio case, and then you also have just the back cover. And then you have some watch straps here. You have just a black one. Here, that's more of a matte rubbery type of feeling one that you could probably work out with. And then you have this. This looks amazing. So this is more of a white, and I'm sure there's probably another one in here too. Super cool. But it better be, right? Because it was mad expensive. So first, let's dive into the Z Fold 2 5G. Same type of deal there. Care instructions, all the stuff that you're not supposed to do to this phone is right here. So make sure you read this. And then, wow, there's that cool backing here, and we'll get to that in just a minute. Galaxy Z Premier service, which you need to know about. And whew, look at this. Even the power brick. Wow, the details though. This is amazing. Even the power brick comes in an amazing little pouch here, but that also has the pattern on it as well. Nice touch to that. And the cable itself. Wow, this is really, really nice. So when you look at the back of this one, it does have that nice pattern on here. Can you hear that? And this one has a frosted finish on it, just like the gold one does. And if you look at the black one here, it is actually glossy. So I'm not sure if you guys know that, but I do like the frosted finish a lot better. So that's the comparison to that. And the hinge on it is the same. So you're gonna get some fingerprints on this, but this one is more of a gray color, which looks really, really nice. The metal definitely feels different. I think it's still the same material, but it must be the way that it's finished. This one's more flat. This one seems more brushed, but this one feels and kind of looks like titanium, which I don't think it is, but it definitely feels a little bit different. So that's one difference. And it does look a little bit different when you boot it up. You get the regular Samsung splash page here, but then you can see that Tom Brown animation, which is really cool. Popping that bubbly, you hear that? That's the sound of money. And there's also a theme applied here that gives you the same kind of design aesthetic as all of the rest of the products here. And you can see there's a gray scheme here, and all of the icons are a little bit different here. They look like fabric. But if you don't like this, this is just a theme, so you can change this and do anything that you want with home screen. It's Android. Otherwise, this is the exact same phone. You're not getting anything different. There's no RAM or more storage differences or anything. It's just the pure aesthetics of it on the outside. And let's see how those cases fit on here. Okay, really nice. This is just the back covering. No front covering here at all, so you still gotta be careful, but they do have a pre-installed screen protector on here, so that does help. But let's look at the folio case now. Okay. Put this inside, clip that on, and there you go. This is the one that I would probably be using the most, but I'm just not a huge fan of flip covers because then I have to flip this thing around and it just gets a little bit flimsy. But I do like the pattern on the inside though. This is really cool. This is a nice touch with the stitching too. Let's do the watch. Let's flip this thing around. I think might have done that wrong, but there's a little bit of a sticker here. And just like I thought, there is a gray band to it. Let's pull this out. There it is. Wow. This is really, really nice. So it's got that same elephant skin type of texture to it as the cases do, that nice color scheme. And I don't notice a huge amount of difference between this one and the other one. There is Galaxy Watch embossed right in here. And it does say Tom Brown right here. So I'm not saying that this is worth $3,300, but the details, I mean, this is pretty insane. All right, so let's take a look here to see if there's anything different in here. I am screwing this unboxing up left and right. Here we go. So there is the charging puck right here, and it's got that same gray color scheme to it. That is so cool. So no detail is literally missed here, and that's pretty much it. There's some documentation in here, but we don't need to see that. Last one, we got Buds Live here. Let's take a look. Whoa. Once again, the details, they are so fire on this. So we got the case with Tom Brown print again. This is awesome. And look at that case. Wow. So you can see here, sound by AKG, the color. It is glossy, but it looks really, really great. And wow, look at those buds. Same thing, colors. Everything just matches so well. I love that gray color though, looks phenomenal. Okay, then you get some ear tips here, and then, wow, even that cable again. That USB-C cable is, whew. So let's go ahead and put the case on. See, I don't screw this one up. Here we go. And that is nice. Here's a comparison to the regular Galaxy Buds Live, and you can see here that they look pretty much the same. They're both glossy, but just a different color scheme, but still very, very nice. Which one do you prefer, regular or the super expensive ones? So in the end, is this worth $3,300? Absolutely not for the average consumer, because everything inside of the phone is exactly the same. The watch, the Buds Live, everything functions just like if you just bought a normal one. But if you do want to stand out from the crowd and you do like Tom Brown and you like design, then this package, this is one of the coolest unboxings I've ever done. I've never seen this much detail put into a tech product before, so this is amazing. This will be my daily driver, so if you have any type of questions about this package or the Tom Brown edition by itself, let me know. Or if you have any questions about the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one, and make sure you subscribe for a lot more coverage on this smartphone. See you in the next one.